In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise limit on Sendwave. If you've ever tried to send more than your current allowance and hit a wall, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to unlock higher limits safely and smoothly. Start by opening the Sendwave app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and that the app is updated to the latest version so all verification features are available. A stable internet connection helps prevent upload errors during the process. From the home screen, head to the area where you manage your account details and tap on My Limits. This section shows your current daily and monthly caps, and it's also where you'll find the option to request an increase. Limits can vary by country, currency, and how complete your profile is, so this page is the best snapshot of where you stand right now. To raise your limit, you'll need to verify your account. Look for a button like Increase Limit or Verify Now, and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked to confirm your personal details and submit a clear photo of a government-issued ID, and sometimes a quick selfie to match your identity. Use good lighting, place your ID on a flat surface, and make sure all corners and text are visible without glare. Double check that the name and birth date you enter match your ID exactly, and that your address is current. If the app requests additional documents such as proof of address or source of funds, upload legible, uncropped images. Taking a moment to review everything before submitting can prevent delays. After you submit, wait for approval. Reviews can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of business days depending on volume and the documents provided. Keep notifications on so you'll be alerted if the review team needs a clearer photo or an updated document. You can also revisit My Limits to see your status. If you're asked for a resubmission, respond through the app rather than sending multiple new submissions, which can slow things down. Once approved, your updated limit will appear in My Limits. Keep using the app as you normally would, and consider starting with a small transfer to confirm everything is working with your new cap. Responsible, consistent use helps maintain your access, and keeping your profile information up to date will prevent future interruptions. If you travel, switch phones, or your details change, the app may prompt you to reconfirm. Just follow the same steps. And if you later find you're approaching your new ceiling, return to My Limits to see if another increase is available.